Ooh, that color is off, baby. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, the Eco Diesel build starts. Now, this isn't some crazy, like, eccentric, like, 12-inch lift build. This is like your standard, yo, I got a truck, and I want to make it better build. My buddy, he came to me. He knows everything I do and stuff like that, and I've done this before, so he's asking me for his help. And we're hooking him up. In this box, we have the EGR upgrade for the Eco Diesel, and today we have the Pedal Commander here. We're going to be installing this, and we're going to take it on a test drive, see how different it is just stock, and then also going to rip his ECM out, because on these Eco Diesels they can't be tuned unless you ship them out, so we need to ship out his ECM to PPEI, and they will tune it for us, and then we'll ship it back. And when I get back from Florida, the ECM should be here. I can throw that back in. I can upgrade his exhaust and his EGR, and after that we'll get his tires put on, and we'll kind of complete the build for now. But as you guys know, this is his first build, so he'll want to start doing more and more and more. Just how the hobby works. You start doing, well, let me just change this, and then I go, okay, well, if I did that easy, let me do this, and then it just goes on from there. So today we're going to be doing some small things to get this Eco Diesel running right. So if you guys didn't know, the Pedal Commander is a throttle response controller. I believe it goes up to 36 different options for you for response on your throttle. They're all new vehicles, I think after, I don't know what year, using an electronic throttle. There's no more throttle cable, so it's all electronically based. This will boost the sensitivity and allow the drivability of your vehicle to be increased like substantially. Now, I don't get any kickback or anything from this, but if you guys want a Pedal Commander for your vehicle, use the code LIME10 and it'll get you 10% off. I actually used my own code on this one for my buddy, but LIME10 will get you 10% off your Pedal Commander. Throw this in real quick. I'm gonna show you how easy this is, and then we're gonna take it for a ride. Underneath everyone's dash, you have your pedals, and now as you can see right there, there is a plug going into your throttle. I probably need to use my other hand. Hold on. You push on that tab, and you'll be able to slide this plug off. Now your throttle right now would no longer work. The Pedal Commander comes with a male and female end. You're gonna plug the male into the female end and the female end into your pedal. Honestly, this air vent's kind of in the way for this, but hopefully you guys have a good angle. Done. Now, as you can see, Pedal Commander is installed. You can put this anywhere in the cab of your truck. For now, I'm gonna run it out. He's gonna end up wanting to hide this under his dash because this is Bluetooth. So until he comes and picks up the truck, I'm just gonna leave it out for now. But he's gonna want me to zip tie this up underneath the dash, and he'll just change the settings through Bluetooth, which is a super convenient option with the Pedal Commander. So for the meantime, I just have it ran up over here. It's on Sport Plus now. We don't want that. I'm literally gonna turn the Pedal Commander off so it drives stock. And then after that, I'll kick it up and I'll see the difference. Super quiet as well. I'll get you guys an exhaust tone because it's definitely gonna change. So like I said, this is stock. Back up a little bit here. Put her in drive. Holy crap. He wasn't kidding. This thing is a turd. To the floor right now. This is to the floor. There it is. Holy crap, this thing needs to spool forever. Even to the floor. There is no response. Holy crap. Oh, Mo, you weren't kidding, dog. That is unreal. Like, oh, that is so bizarre. I've never felt anything that laggy. So anyways, I'm gonna stop here for a second. And I'm gonna crank the Pedal Commander up to, let's go to Sport plus 2. That's kind of where I drive it on mine. Oh, shoot. Holy crap. Okay. There we go. That's nutty. That is really nutty, actually. So, just for giggles here, let's go on Sport Plus, and we'll crank this thing all the way up because I love feeling the difference. Complete nothing to full. Oh, hello. Oh, nuts. This thing is like it's tuned already, and it's not. I promise you, this is not a tuner. But it just gets your throttle response up. And the problem with this Eco Diesel is the turbo does not spool like it should. So this is giving me a fast spool. Oh my goodness, holy crap. This is like a tuner just because it gets the turbo spooled faster. But it's definitely not. Oh my goodness. Dude, That is absolutely nutty. This has actually made this EcoDiesel an animal just the way it sits. And now after it's tuned, what's gonna happen is the tune itself is gonna spool the turbo faster, and then this pedal commander probably will not be able to even sit over the second or third it probably won't even have the city or sport mode, because the throttle is just gonna be so stupid responsive that you won't even be able to drive the truck. But this, oh my goodness, okay, sorry. It just spools the turbo so fast that that, my friends, is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna go turn around, I'm gonna get home, and we're gonna get this ECM out so we can ship it out and get it to PPEI. Alright, so we are back home. I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of this. I'll pop the hood too while we're at it, because it's gonna sound completely different when we're done. Yes, it's a little dirty up here. I get it. I get it. Gonna be honest, it's dead quiet. Like, there's no sound at all. Like, even the stock Cummins had like a sound to it. This has none, and this has none. So part of me is actually kind of interested to see how the new 3.0 EcoDiesel Wrangler and Gladiator is gonna sound and be power-wise. It's got me thinking, let me tell you that. PPEI tells you to take your whole fender liner out, and with this thing not being lifted, having factory flares, mud flap, all that, and I can't get an impact in here, I really don't want to mess with the liner. So I seen some guy, he literally just does this. The little guy did unclamp this, the air intake, took each side of this off, boom, there it is. How are we stuck up? Oh, I'm an idiot. There's a harness, that's what they said. There we go. Alright, and then there's 4 bolts on the ECM here that you're going to take off, 10 mils. Of course, that harness has to be in the way. Lady working in the other chair was like, alright, whose big green truck is that? I parked out front. I said, oh, it's mine. She goes, how the f do you get in that thing? That's what everyone says. I'm like, listen, talking to her, and she's like, my boyfriend has like a sound system in his car. I'm like, yeah. She's like, every time I drive it, I'm like, tell him to turn that shit down. But then when I drive my car and it doesn't have the sound system, I'm like, it sounds like shit.
Exactly.
I'm like,
what?
Yeah, I'm like, okay. Okay, now I gotta find the last bolt. I'm like doing this blind as a bat. Oh, there it is. That's a lot easier than I thought.
Where is
Split it right here.
Oh.
Just fucking thinking outside the box. There we go. It's gotta be it. Okay. We'll make this truck rendered useless in 3, 2, 1. Authorized software update. They put this, I think they've just retuned it. There's an emissions recall with this, so they just retuned it.
Yeah.
Now it's getting retuned again. Anyway.
Take it back out.
Yep. Alright guys, we just are actually back from Florida. I was going to film the end of this video in Florida just like my last one. However, I got so caught up in, just last minute, enjoying the beach, packing up, getting my flights, all that stuff. Had a layover in Charlotte, stuff like that. So we were very, crunched for time there. So I was going to finish this there, and the video was going to go live when I was on the flight, but it just didn't happen. So I apologize for that. But the ECM is actually out at PPEI right now. It is shipping back, and it should be here in 2 days from now. So that video will be coming soon on that. We'll also be upgrading his exhaust here in the next couple days as well. Gonna knock that out and upgrade his EGR as well. But so far, I mean, this truck, just with the pedal commander installed, is an absolute animal. It honestly, I cannot believe, just when I post the video on that truck and I put the pedal commander in, and people are like, oh, it doesn't delete turbo lag. Let me tell you, it deletes turbo lag. The throttle, you're pushing the pedal less to get more throttle response. That allows your turbo to spool faster. It's simple as that. So the people that are like, oh, it doesn't get rid of turbo lag, let me tell you, it does. I can tell you that driving that, nothing on and full, the turbo lights so much faster. That's a fact. No, it's no different than punching the gas, because I literally put that thing to the floor and it had nowhere near the response as with the pedal commander on it. So if you were looking for a pedal commander for your vehicle, trust me, it's recommended. It's on this one. It's on that one. When my Hellcat gets back from the body shop, it's going on that one. It's honestly an awesome product. I will probably put that on almost every vehicle from here on out, because it's just stupid unreal at how awesome that thing is. A while ago, he threw a code, and I went in there and I started cleaning like map sensors and stuff, and that EGR in there is so plugged up. It is unreal. That's why these eco diesels, you know, not only failed, but weren't as reliable as people were saying. Is like, trust me, they plug up fast. I don't know what design was in this, but they plug up fast. And honestly, I wish they put a, you know, like the 2.8 Cummins or whatever in here. I honestly wish they did, but they didn't. Same thing with the new Jeeps. I honestly wish they put like the smaller, like 4-liter Cummins in it, but what are you gonna do? Well guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Stay tuned, because I'm either gonna knock that out in like minutes from now, or I'm gonna knock all that stuff out tomorrow, and you know, we're gonna get that truck back on the road Friday and get his tires done as well, and the truck's gonna look completely different. It's honestly simple build, but that's what the majority of people nowadays are going to be doing. Simple things. They're not going to be doing crazy stuff like that. That's what's like different. You don't have to mod your truck crazy to get into the hobby. Stuff like this is fun. So, but we'll be picking up the Hellcat soon as well. And so I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.